Think about his goodness. Think about his grace that's brought us through. For as high as the heavens above, so great is the measure of our Father's love. Great is the measure of our Father's love. Think about his love. Think about his goodness. Think about his grace that's brought us through. For as high as the heavens above, so great is the measure of our Father's love. Great is the measure of our Father's love. How could I forget his love? And how could I forget his mercy? He satisfies. He satisfies. He satisfies my desire. Think about his love. Think about his goodness. Think about his grace that's brought us through. For as high as the heavens above, so great is the measure of our Father's love. Great is the measure of our Father's love. Even when I've strayed away, his love has sought me out and found me. He satisfies. He satisfies. He satisfies my desires. Think about his love. Think about his goodness. Think about his grace that's brought us through. For as is the